Yeah, move forward, move forward.
Motherfucker.
Ooh. Boom, it's tactical curl. Man, let's spice it up. Woo! We cooking with that Delta Team Tactical, baby. FRT. So let's talk about it. So we have here semi FRT mode. Man, got that suppressor hot. All right, guys. So talking about this system that we have set up on my rifle, the FRT. This bad boy speeds up that weapon system like all the way. So with that being said, now I can run this gun a lot faster. If I want to have multiple targets that I'm shooting at, I have the option to put that safety selector switch to shoot really, really, really fast. ATF approved. It's tactical Carl. Train like you fight, fight like you train.
Yeah.